be a hibachi restaurant we eat at a lot.
Yeah. So we're down at kind of close to Biltmore. This is Biltmore Village. That's a hibachi place that still hasn't opened. I'm just going to walk around and see what kind of progress they've made.
Well, that too is the other devastation.
This used to be a little t-shirt shop called Mountain Merch. Not open, closed. Place closed. Little cigar place. I forget what it was called. I don't even remember what this was, but obviously closed.
This was a very popular Indian restaurant.
This part of this Grand Bohemian Hotel kind of opened back up. A bunch of it's still closed though. Part of it did.
That's nice.
This was a pretty popular Indian restaurant back in the day. Not here anymore. Hard to see in there, but I think you get the idea. Been cleaned out. Nothing in there.
That was the most expensive McDonald's in the country. That Grand Piano.
Yeah. Is that where that was?
Yeah,
right there?
Right there in this corner.
Oh.
It's gonna come back.
Right over there, my wife reminded me that that's where the McDonald's was, that had a grand piano in there and everything. It was like, it's supposed to come back, but God only knows when. That first watch was a nice breakfast place. Let's go over there and look at that. You can't. Oh, no, you can't. All right, it's got a chain on the inside.
Yeah, it's gutted.
Yeah. Nothing in there anymore. A pretty nice breakfast, but another place gone. That's closed on. Closed. You're at your own risk. Well, I'm not going to enter. I don't want the risk. That's all the stuff that was up there. Hopefully you can see that sign. Ichiban, Jimmy John's, Plant House, coffee place, First Watch, I showed you.
That's one of the first restaurants to reopen. That's
Yeah.
a Mediterranean place.
Yeah. There's Moe's. Moe's completely tore up. Support the village. There you go. Scan there if you want to help out. There we go. Let me show you Moe's a little better.
Oh, Jesus. We haven't seen it this close.
Look at that. This, watch where you're walking.
I'm watching.
There's lots of nails and stuff here, I'm sure. So Moe's is, I mean, looks like it happened a week ago. I mean, that's the reality of things around here right now. Right there. Devastation's still here, folks. Coming soon, huh? Well, I guess 10 months is not soon enough. Carolina demolition. Construction is defective. Exits are dangerously inadequate. Walls are dangerous. Wiring is unsafe. Nothing good about this place right now, apparently. Nothing left there. All right.
They are rebuilt.
Yeah. Again, that's a little better look of McDonald's. They're going to rebuild that. There's some heavy equipment kind of getting the boulders and stuff out of the way. Okay, let's find something else. walk down and get some of the other stuff. If you want to go back to the car. Nice new mulch, looks like. Shame there's nothing open around here. This was the Cantina Mexican restaurant. Yeah, you can't see anything in there. It doesn't look like anything's going on. Let's see. Well, it's hard to see in there, but there's nothing in there. All of these are closed. I mean, almost tired of hearing myself say that. This is closed, this is closed. I mean, pretty much everything's still closed. There's nothing's really open back up of note. Porter and Prince. I don't know what that is. For the longest time the street was closed, but at least that's back open now. But you see the windows on a lot of these are boarded up. That's like Chico's. Huh? It's open?
There used to be one on whatever street that was in Fredericksburg.
Oh. So this place is open, called Monkey's. Looks like a clothing store. So that's open. Come down and give them some business if you're looking for, looks like ladies' clothing. What's down here? They got posted keep out, no trespassing, so whatever was here is not open. All right. Yeah, that's pretty.
All of them shops. Well, Talbot's door is open, so they're working in there.
Yeah.
And Soma has stuff on their windows, but
Well, let's cross here.
let's walk and see if we can.
I'm gonna walk up and down there.
The Soma and Williamson down here goes down the Oh, I don't want to go out there, see how dirty.
Yeah, I will. I'm gonna walk back this way, I think.
Okay, I'm just doing
Okay. This is Talbot's. Just looking, no worries. Is this place open? This realty place? Looks horribly temporary in there. You see there's, looks like just some tables set up. I'm sure they had a better setup than that. Well, yeah, they're hiring. I wonder if that means they're open. Well, that means they're closed. Okay. All right. You see a lot of dumpsters still on the side of the road, so obviously. Not much going on. Still trying to do some cleanup, I guess. There's my wife all the way down there. Well, I'm gonna wrap this up, I guess. This was Biltmore Village, roughly 10 months after the hurricane. Some work being done inside a couple of places, you may have noticed. A couple of places are open back up, but the vast majority of the businesses are really not there any longer. Well, I mean, they're there, but they're kind of down to the studs. There's really nothing going on. This is a Saturday. Maybe they work Monday through Friday, but you would think they'd work at least 6 days a week to try and get their business back up, if that's what their intent was. Chico's closed. So that's just an update of what Biltmore Village in Asheville looks like today. This is about the middle of July, thereabouts. I'm not sure when I'll post this, but it's about the middle of July, and lots of work still need to be done. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel, Asheville Explored, and we'll see you again next time.